Good morning, everyone. A very important news for the students who will be writing their examination, CA intermediate examination, in May 2026 or say September 2026. After release our main book, we have released, the compiler. That is a summary book for the students who are writing their examination in May 26. So basically, this summary book is covering the entire provisions relating to income tax and GST, but in summarized form. Here, basically, when you go for the contents, see here, when we see the index, each and every chapter relating to income tax, all the provisions, as well as what the important amendments which have been made by what the Finance Act 2025 that is applicable for you for assessment year 26-27, they have basically been incorporated. And the main feature of this compiler is that we have covered the entire provisions in brief. Say for income tax, only in 134 pages, entire provisions have been covered. And for goods and services tax, the entire provisions are covered in 172 pages. So this summary book contains 306 pages. You can easily read those at the time of exam. What you have to do is, first you cover the main book, and together with that, you do this summary and make notes, summarize notes also. It will be very helpful at your exam, at the eve of your examination. So fundamentally, this summary book is meant so that the students can summarize their entire provisions in brief, which will be very helpful at a time of your examination. And in 306 pages, we have tried to cover each and every aspect relating to taxation. Beside this, we have also launched our new question bank. Question bank has also been launched, that is applicable for the students who are writing their examination in May 26 and September 26. All the questions are amended by the Finance Act 2025 that will be applicable for the assessment year 26-27. So this question bank is also launched here, and fundamentally you can see the question bank also. I will show you the the question bank also. Here, this is a question bank, and here 420 illustrations are there. When you go to the contents, you see there are 420 illustrations are there in this particular question bank. 306 is of income tax, and 114 illustrations are there of GST. So when you go with the index, you will find out this way all the important past exam questions and all important revisionary test paper questions and mock test paper questions as amended by the Finance Act 2025 that is applicable for assessment year 26-27. They are covered here. 306 illustrations are there. 306 illustrations are there in income tax, and 118 illustrations are there in GST. So 424 illustrations and 55 theory questions are there. Entire coverage we have done here in 420 pages. This question bank is for the students who will be writing their examination in May 26 and September 26. So I assure you, when you go with the summary book and this practice the questions with the question bank, definitely you will score exemption marks in the most difficult subject. That is, taxation is one of the most difficult subject of intermediate examination, because it is covering both income tax and GST, and paper level is day by day increasing. So all you have to practice these questions basically, and this will help you. So what you have to do is study first the main book and the build your concepts, and then practice the past examination questions. Chapter wise, you have to cover each and everything. So This is a very, very important announcement and news for you. If you go through these books, definitely I assure you that you will pass the examination with flying colors. So all the best, because now you have to study for May 26 examination after clearing your foundation examination. Thank you very much.